Hello everyone, Samson loves my species. How are all of you doing today? I hope amazing. I'm in the car right now with Nikki and Elyse. We are going foraging today.
Foraging.
Yes, we want that foraging life. I know, but I kind of like it in the thing, but true. Y'all seen it, y'all loved it. Alright, now we move it. Here we go. How we doing today, y'all? Sorry, we're driving right now. Let me show you what we're doing. Look how beautiful it is outside. Oh, it is just so pretty. Look at these. Look at those mountains. They going. They are going. We're going on the interstate right now. We're going to be going to those mountains, or not all the way through to them, but up to the foothills of them.
We get there.
And we're gonna forage. I need to finish making my wand, so I'm trying to find a base. Also, I have a surprise that I haven't really said idea-wise what I want to do.
That's why everyone's going slow. There's a cup right there. I was like, damn, why is it so congested right here?
Oh, it is a cult.
There's a cult.
There's a cult board there. So we want to make sure that we do due diligence and we go the speed limit. Anyway, I'm excited. What are you guys excited about?
I hope we find some mushrooms.
Yes, I
Because
agree.
there's like some pretty cool species of mushrooms here
Totally.
that I haven't seen yet.
Yes.
I
That's why I think we
100%
should go to the
agree.
right. Like when we get there in park.
Yes,
Right.
Elyse is going to be showing us this new place. She and Chuck go there, and she said it's different from where we usually go. So,
It is different?
yeah, but there's a lot more trees and like shrubage and like forested like area there, so we can like forage.
At least the last I remember it. I hope they didn't change it though.
True, yeah, they could have maybe trimmed it back, but we're excited. It's called
Red Rock.
Red Rock Canyon.
Red Rock Canyon.
It's right next to Colorado Spring and Manitou Spring and Old Colorado City. Yeah, we're excited. We hope that all y'all are excited. We're gonna check out back home with you. But yeah, once again, that's the span. The span?
The span.
The Pam. The pan.
Did you say span?
I said, that's the span. And then I said, that's the pan.
I think it said spam, like
That's
the
the-
food.
That would be funny if I did. But let's just say I did. Yes, the spam.
Spam.
Be ready. Well, hello everyone. We're actually on the trail now. As you can see, there is a beautiful structure around us. There's like rocks coming up and everything. We're just, you know, living our best life and seeing what we're doing. Of course, Elyse and Nikki are already like ahead of me. They just going. They vibing. They living their best life. They leaving me behind. But look at this rock formation. It's so amazing. Oh, beautiful. Y'all just leaving me behind. Thanks. Thank you much. It's a perfectly cloudy day today. We're gonna kind of see what's going on. This is Red Rock Canyons, by the way. I said this earlier. So we actually are going the way that Elyse is showing us. So she goes with Chuck, the right side of this whole structure. And if you can see, that's where we came from. But on this side, on the other side of the structure is where I usually park. And where Nikki and I, when we come here, we usually go on this side. So I'm excited to be on this side. That's interesting. Oh no! Whew, wow, breath already. I'm so sad. It's closed for restoration. That's this beautiful path up here by this rock formation. But we're just going to continue this way then. We're going to go up this way. Kind of past that whole area, but it's all good. Ooh. I'm foraging for a wand. Do you think that would be a good base for me? Too much. Oh, people are coming. They live. Which way am I going to go? I think I'm going to go this way. Oh, it's so cute. They have like this whole... Damn, okay. Okay, this is like some fancy stuff over here. Shoot. This is like the hikes I go on in Cali, they're all like this. Okay, Colorado.
I'm further back.
We're like stopping and seeing. It's such a cute little area, sitting area for those ferries.
Yeah, like fairies.
They going, they jumping up here and shit. They having the time of their life.
They're like watching us, laughing at us. Like
Yeah, for real.
they're like,
Shoot, that's me right now, breathing hard. Fuck, I'm telling you. My bun is still attached. I'm surprised. I thought my hair was gonna fall out, but here's what it is. We ready. We live in it. It's such a pretty area. Oh, we're going, y'all. I'm feeling it. Nikki's already fucking stripping down. I'm gonna be stripping down soon. Fuck. You see this? See this sweat on my head? Damn. I can feel it. It's there. I don't think I'll be able to find any foraging shit up here, but I definitely want to go up this rock formation.
well, I think I see what you're saying. It just looks like those are like, yeah, like the knees, and then you got like the body, but you know it's not. It just looks like it. That's cool. I want to go out there pedal like
Pedal what?
all my energy.
It would be wasted. Not wasted though. Just used in one motion.
Look at you, girl. Explore.
Sure, I know. Girl, you go for it.
Yeah, like experience.
Yes,
through
exactly.
her eyes.
We live in it over here. We're like, wow, look at that. Oh, she's going.
Oh, snap.
Maybe now it's my turn to go. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm actually going right now, y'all. I'm feeling it. I'll meet you there, mate. Don't you worry. I will meet you there. Don't you worry. But fret not. Looks like a vaginal hole.
No, it doesn't. It looks like say when.
Oh,
It looks like when.
where? Where does? I just scaled that in 7 seconds flat. Ooh. Another area for the ferries. Oh, this tree though? I think I'm gonna forage from this place. Why not? Alright, so we are out here. We had to take a little break. Whew, my break was right there sitting my ass. Right there. I'm telling you, it was like meditative. Meditative. It was probably the best part so far of the adventure. My hair, it's falling, y'all. That poof is falling. It's called the sweat. It's going. But we're gonna go up these stairs. It's super pretty. Elyse is already up there. So I do want to go almost like the rainwater route. Or the steps. Let's be fancy. Do the steps. We're looking for a place so we can forage. Oh, it's just a beautiful sight. All of this. We out. We go. You hear the birds chirping in the back. How you doing back there? I see you. Camera sees you too. Oh yeah. She in a state of a wow and amazement. We love her though. Yeah, we see you. Shoot. Something's guiding her right now.
Oh my God.
She's being guided by something.
Flower.
Oh, it's so cute. We were foraging in Palmer Park. And look at that. Same cute little flower. It's so pretty.
Oh, I saw something there too.
What does that look like? I don't know, but they're so pretty.
Yeah, those, you see those?
Yes, they're so pretty.
Those
Feel bad.
Feel bad.
Yeah, they're supposed to be like when we came here in the summertime. I think we have to be more in the summer. But
Oh.
like, These trees are all really pretty. There's grass everywhere.
Oh, true.
Flowers pot, and I'm like,
This is spring.
I know.
Pedo, we like it. I'm like it because I'm looking for like bigger sticks so that I could make my base for my wand. Oh my word! Like right
I don't know
now?
when that happened.
Oh my god, it's gone.
Oh, no idea when that happened. How?
Damn, I don't know what that was. I'm pretty sure that was black jade. Not black jade, fucking black tourmaline.
Obsidian?
Obsidian, there we go. One of those. Oh, we're going, y'all. We live in, once again, we're in the Red Rock Canyon area. We hiking through rocks. It's so beautiful. It's such a beautiful day outside too, still. We actually in the rocks now. We feeling it. Well, hello everyone. We are back. We're here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh hi.
Sorry.
We're like on a very tall rock formation. We're probably about, what do you guys think? Maybe 600 feet in the air?
600 at least.
At least, girl, I'm telling you. At least 200 stories. Just believe us, okay?
Yeah, just believe.
Like, just believe us. Whoop! Oops! Nope! I didn't mean to do that. We're dead though. Like
For real,
yo,
like we climbed up there to look through the natural hag hole or hagstone,
T.
and oh my gosh,
It was beautiful. Elyse took pictures of us. Yeah.
She mostly just got like this part of our face and then just like our hands. Maybe.
T. It was
so
beautiful.
cool.
We loved it. But we're gonna go back down and we're probably gonna get some food because I'm hungry.
Same.
And our dumbass forgot a pipe. So
We need to go.
So sad.
For real.
but anyway, thanks for joining in with us. If you like us, subscribe. If you don't like us, unsubscribe. Dislike. We there for that. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the beautiful day it is.
Beautiful.
And
But yeah, so you get that way because that's where the.
oh yes, the hagstone. It's somewhere in these rock formations.
I think it's that one.
That one over there. Yes, I think so too. It's beautiful though. It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
We live, we love. Over there, way the hell over there, that is Garden of the Gods.
Yep.
Way the hell over there. I'm sure it's probably very busy over there.
Oh gosh.
And we are just
Energy
over
there,
here.
immaculate probably too.
Oh, I'm sure. And we're just over here living our life. Anyway, thanks for tuning in with us, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.